Welcome this video. A waterfall fountain can be a stream and tranquil add to your home. Those elegant, functional, convenient, aesthetic, and functionally bring the sound of flower water in your living space. Water you aim to enhance home decor, create a peaceful atmosphere, or both. A water functional fountain can serve as an excellent focal point. Alone, it devotes into the benefit type, placement type, main interest, and overall design idea for incorporating a waterfall fountain into your home. Benefit of a waterfall fountain aesthetic appear. A waterfall fountain enhance the various appear of any room. Its choose water and modern design can build seamless with contemporary rustic tranquil design available in a various of material like glass, stone, all metal doors, fountain, and versatile and can be customized to complement your space. Noise reading. The sound of flower water can mask underlying background noise, provide a request and more peaceful ambience in your home.